Gather around this table, boys. Bring no shame, I lose my voice.
Lose it after an in and out of the crease call. Goalie stepped in and then out of the crease. Good move underneath the behind the back. Oh! Power play off. We got about 7 minutes in the game. Colby Lansing, are you kidding me? He saw the cutter on the right side coming down, threw it off the boards to him. I have never seen something like that. That was an incredible pass. There we go. Over to Hogan. There's no shot there. Flips it behind the back to the around the world goal. Into Colby Lansing. Oh my gosh. Colby gets his fourth.
Screaming at the gods about the bad we've done. Merle said, Mama tried, but the prison still won. Your transgressions are mine as well. Anger grows in my bones and you could not tell. I'll find comfort in helping you. Lord, forgive us, my boys and men. We're having an all-night revival. Some call the women and some are still Bible. For the sake of my survival, baptize me in a bottle of beer for Johnny on the bottle. Well, the devil can scrap